Okay. Hello everybody once again. Thank you for joining. It's Exopus demo. And yeah, today Keith, part of a team, is not involved in the demo. They did a great job. But today is a bank holiday in Ukraine. It's International
Women's Day.
Women's Day, yeah. Women Day. So yeah, it's big deal in the post-Soviet countries. Right, welcome to demo. Today we are going to present you what we basically did. We started a couple of epics to work and we did a lot of research. So not a lot of issues to demo, but a lot of work done with investigating behavior and yeah, still some task in progress, but reports are ready on it, but there is not a lot of stories that completely finished, so we can't demo it. And yeah, let me start with this story. Cannot create new keyword by pressing enter. This is basically two story we completely finished in this sprint and we're gonna demo. First one, I'll start to demo what this story is about. Let me show how it used to be. I have here two instances of architect. Nudge. What I should press?
Enable the pop.
Sorry?
Enable the pop-up, right?
This one.
No, the top one. Oh, of course it's in Dutch. Sorry.
Yeah,
the top one.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Interface is in Dutch, so I'm experiencing language barrier. Right. So yeah, Dita has a keyword and no.
Yeah.
And we can insert keyword here. Type something. The point is here keyword is inline element and it should behave like any inline element, like bold and italic. It means that if we like pressing delete, we deleting character by character, even if we coming from outside inline element. It also behaves differently when you split it. So and when you split it at the end of the element, when you split it in the middle, it splits also parents, and if it's the end, it's not moving inline element to a new block level element. And we configured the role for inline elements, and we made a keyword inline element, but also find out later that we use keyword inside of the information here as well. It's the same keyword element, right? But here it should behave like a block level element. So if we split it, it should split itself, not parent. So, and right now it doesn't work. So when I split and enter right now, nothing happens. And yeah, so it doesn't behave like, it behaves like an inline element. So what we need to do, and what we did, we configured it in this special way that in some places it's inline, in some places it's blocked, a block level element. Let me check out. So I've showed it to you in my instance where old version is installed, new instance where fixed version is installed. So this is same element. It took from same element, but it's in another instance, so new code is there. And if I press enter at the end, it creates new keywords. And yeah, in the previous place, where the text is allowed around, it still behave like inline element. So if I split, behave as in an inline element, but in the places where text is not allowed, it behaves like block level element. This was a fix, and yeah, right. Another story, dictionary, and about dictionaries and loading dictionaries, and Aman, our JavaScript developer from Amsterdam, going to continue with it.
Yeah. So this is about the caching issue, which was filed as an SRQ that we got, that our loading mechanism for the dictionary was having some problem on Chrome 40 and above, that was giving you a error message when you try to load it for the second time, that it is not able to load. Okay, so let me try to show you this one. Let's open it in a incognito mode and make sure that we have enabled the cache. Yeah, so if I try to load the dictionary for the first time, it works fine, right? Now if I reload the document and try to load the dictionary once again, then you get this error that it's not able to load the document once again, because second time on words it's trying to load from the cache, and yeah, it's trying to load from the cache, and what we were expecting was that it would load from the server in a partial way, right? That was how it was done before. Now let's move it back to the next version here. Let's do the same thing, make sure that cache is enabled. Yeah, so cache has been enabled, the same document. Yeah, this is the new icon. Yeah, so we load the dictionary first time. As you can see, it's being loaded from the server. We are using partial loading mechanism to load it. Let's turn off the reload the document, and this time around, if we load the dictionary, as you can see, it's still loading from the cache, and this time around we do allow it to load it. So we have fixed this annoying issue. Yeah, that's it. How do I get out? This one. Yeah, back to maximum.
Right, so that's it. We're not demoing anything else today. So if you have any questions, please do ask. Okay. Then let me stop recording.